Okay, 6, 6 is spiraling, right? They want us to solve the system, so let's do A first, right? Let's do A here. And they're giving us the ability to do this any method we want. So I'm going to rewrite these equations, right? So negative x, I'm going to rewrite them in standard form. Negative x plus 8y equals 1. And the other one, I'm going to switch the sides, right? X plus 5. So this is x plus 5 equals 10y. So it's x minus 10y equals negative 5, right? So x minus 10y equals negative 5, right? So there's the two systems. I'm going to use elimination, right? Because I have an x and a negative x. So I'll add both these equations. So 8 and negative 10 is negative 2y. 1 and negative 5 is negative 4. So y equals 2, right? Negative 4 divided by negative 2. And now I need x, right? So I'm going to go into either of the equations. I don't know. I'll go into this one, right? So I'll get x minus 10 times 2 equals negative 5. X minus 20 equals negative 5. X equals, add 20 to both sides, 15. So the ordered pair where they intersect, right, these are two lines, is at 15, 2. Okay, let's do B now. So B, I'm also going to rewrite these into standard form, right? So I'll bring this 6x to the other side for the top one. So I'll add 6x. So 6x plus 5y equals 2. And the bottom equation is negative 2x plus y equals 10. Okay. Nothing eliminates right away, but I notice I could multiply the bottom equation by 3, right? So let's do that. So the top equation is 6x plus 5y equals 2. The bottom, both sides multiplied by 3, it would be negative 6x plus 3y equals 30. Now I can use elimination. So I'll add, right? So I add, right? All right. So negative 6x and 6x is 0. 5y and 3y is 8y equals 32. Y equals 4. Okay, now I need to substitute it into one of the equations. I don't know, I'll put it in here, right? Either of the equations works, right? So 4 minus 2x equals 10. Negative 2x equals, subtract 4 from both sides, 6. And divide both sides by negative 2. X equals negative 3. So the ordered pair where these two lines intersect is at negative 3, 4.